Good morning guys, welcome back to day 3 of New York. Today we've got plans to go up the Empire State Building, we're going to Ground Zero and up the World Trade Center, so that's super exciting. Today's outfit is this like t-shirt dress from Misguided, and a nice belt, fun bag, and then I want to wear these sunglasses. Because how cool do these look? They look so sick. Yeah. It was a really good idea to go Monday morning because there was literally no queue to go up. There was hardly any other people up there, which was really, really nice. So now we're actually at the Ground Zero memorial place, which is obviously very like melancholy. So yeah, we're gonna have
Emma Gooch.
Shut up. We're talking about deep stuff here. We're at the memorial, so yeah. Good morning everyone. Today we are off to Niagara Falls, which is so exciting. One of the 7 wonders of the world, so super excited for that. Today we are wearing this t-shirt from ASOS and then just black shorts as usual. It has been raining outside though, so we're not sure, we might have to change, which yeah, we're not happy with rain in New York, in America, because we deal with that too much in the UK.
telling me what you saw when you walked in. So 2 people sitting down with a great big pile like of noodles. Like literally like the plate was like this there. And look how thick this menu is.
And we also love it how it says that there's like superfoods here, developed with ingredients found in nature, as opposed to like, I don't know,
factories.
So we've just seen that this is the cheesecake menu, which everything looks so delicious, but because they put the calories next to it, obviously you're kind of like, oh my god. Pretty much every single slice is over 1,000 calories a slice. And pretty much everything in terms of food is over 1,000 calories as well. So basically I feel incredibly guilty, so I'm going for the Skinnerlicious menu. I think I'm going to get some salmon or some chicken. That's about 500 calories instead, which is a normal size for England and a normal English portion, but I just honestly, I can't believe the intake here. Like I could come here like once a year. Lucy, what are you getting?
We're getting the pasta carbonara, which is 2,070 calories. And then, if you wanted to add chicken, that's 270 calories, meaning they're probably adding about 5 chickens.
So we've just finished up and we didn't actually even finish our cheesecakes. We actually have to take them home because they were so good but quite heavy and quite sweet. So how are we rating it?
The overall experience, I think I'm going to go with a 9.
So
Just because, well, 9 out of 5. 9, okay, so 4 out of 5 or,
yeah.
Because there was just a lot of food and like, I mean I still managed to eat most of it, but it's just...
I really like the selection that they had. I like the fact that you could also get food other than cheesecake here.
And the flavours are really good as well, like they do it well, but there's just a lot.
Yeah. My pasta was so delicious. It was so good. And the cheesecakes was also incredible. So for me, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. Came out of the gun shop.
We literally buy a gun, like right there, and then like we could have bought a gun.
Yeah, it's like just so unusual for British people to think that, because obviously I've literally never seen even a gun in real life, I don't think actually. So, because Britain just doesn't have guns at all, and it's mad. So, and the fact that people there, like, it's normal in America. So to have a gun or a knife. And in England we're like, sorry, what? Yeah, literally.
And
sorry.
the guy we were talking to said he was going to London, and he was like, yeah, I'm going to find it hard to walk around without a gun or a pistol or a knife or something.
Obviously, there is obviously a lack of trust in America. I feel like people worry about their safety a lot, but I guess if everyone's got guns and you don't have one, then I guess you are in a position where you're vulnerable. You know what? I think we prefer the UK in terms of gun laws. I'd rather not get shot.